Elementor theme versus Divi theme. Which one is better? In this video, I'll compare the Elementor theme and the Divi theme to know which one is better for you. If this is your first time on the channel, you are welcome. On this channel, I talk about web design, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. Don't forget to check out other videos on the channel, and at the end of the video, please make sure you subscribe. If you don't have any of these themes yet, please wait and watch this video to the end before buying it. Alright, so this is the home page of DiviOrElementor theme. Now the reason why I'm trying to show you this page, just for you to know that with this theme you can create a website like this. This is the home page of Divi theme. Alright, and remember, Divi is under Elegant theme. Okay, so when you log in, you're gonna log into Elegant themes, but Divi is a product under Elegant theme because Divi is not the only thing they have. When you look at it, they have Divi, they have Extra Magazine, they have Divi Builder, Bloom email opt-in plugin, and Monarch social media plugin. Alright, so now I'll show you the home page of Elementor, just for you to know that with Elementor you can make a page like this, or you can create a website like this. So it's always good to look at the home page of each theme. Alright, so now we're gonna look into prices, but I would like to start with Divi. You click on pricing. So Divi has two plans. They have the $89 yearly access plan and the lifetime access plan. So with the $89 access plan, that means every year you have to renew it. Once you have this, you can create unlimited websites. The lifetime access is $249 one time. You don't have to renew each and every year, so you buy it once and that's it for life. Alright, so let's look into Elementor pricing. On Elementor, you click on pricing as well, and it's gonna bring you to this page. One thing I forgot to tell you about Divi is that they don't have free version, but with Elementor theme they have free version outside this pricing. This is the pro version, and that is why Elementor is so popular. So with Elementor, you have the personal plan, which is $49 yearly access, and it gives you access to one website. You have the plus, which is $99 yearly plan, and it gives you access to 3 websites with this. And the expert, which is $199 yearly plan, and it gives you access to 1,000 websites. The only problem is that Elementor doesn't have lifetime plan, so you have to renew every year, and that's the downside of it. Downside of Divi too is there's no free version now, but when you compare the prices, this is $199 and you have to renew every year with 1,000 sites. Just a $50 in addition, you're gonna have a lifetime access. You don't have to renew anymore. Elementor interface and usability. Right on your left, you can see the elements into sections. So on element, you have the basic section, and these are the stuff that you have for the basic section, which means even if you have free version, you still have this. Then you come to pro, okay, and the pro, you have a whole bunch of stuff that you can use. And if you want the pro, I'll put the link in the description so you can get it. And then you come to general, okay, which you get in both. Some of the stuff when you have pro, you can get it, but these are the general stuff. All right, then you come to sites, okay, and Woo comments. I don't want to go into it, all right, because it's gonna be too much of stuff. You have the essential add-ons, which is free. It's another plugin that you can install, and these are free elements. Okay, so let's say if you don't have a pro and you want additional stuff, you can just install the essential add-ons. This is special Elementor design, and you have all this. Okay, so let's say you want to add a button here for people to check out your menu. So what you have to do, you come up, you click on the plus sign. So now you have your section ready. Then let's say you want to add a button or image or a video. I want to add the button. Okay, so I'll just click and drag and drop it in here. So now I have the button. First we have to center it, so you come down here, alignment, then you click on center. If you want to change the color, you just click on here, the background color first. So I click on this and I want blue. Okay, if I want to change the text color, I'll click on this and I'll change it to, let's say, black. All right, click outside the box. This is how you add elements to each and every section that you want. All right, so if you want to change the typography, so let's say the size, you want to just increase or decrease the size. The weight, you can do 300, okay, or you can do 500. All right, and styles, okay, if you want to go italics, you can play with it. Okay, if you want to change the border, the radius, okay, let's say you can do this one like 10, okay, and it changes all the sides, or you can just click here, okay, just to show you quick. All right, then you can go to advanced. The margin, if you want 15, you take 15, 10, okay. So if you don't want this space around it, you just go back, then you type in 0, okay, you come down here, you type 0, okay, then everything go back to normal. If you want to add a text or a heading to this button, you just grab this and make sure you see the blue line, okay. Yeah, when you see the blue line, that means it's ready to drop. Then you drop it. You can highlight and center, double click, okay, and type in here. That is the in text typing, or you can go to the settings. So either or, you can do both. So just to show you how it works, all right, and you can change the color like we did before. All right, interface and usability of Divi. So let's say we want to add a page under this section, okay, so we're gonna have to hover over, and you see the plus sign, so you click on it. So let's say we go regular. So these are Divi roles, okay, so similar to Elementor, but this works a bit different. So let's say you want 1 section, 2 sections, or 3 sections, okay. So in this case, let's say we want 1 section. These are your models. In the other section, we choose a button. So in this case, I will choose button as well, just to make it congruent, okay. So then you click on your button. Now this is your button. So if you want to change the text, you just double click, access now, okay. So you can do it here, or you can do it down there too. All right, so this is how you change the text. So to add link, you just click on this, then you add your link. Then when you are done, then you click on save. Then moving on, your design, that is how you're gonna customize it. All right, so to center the button, center, then you see it's center here. All right, so then you go to the button, then you make sure you turn your button on. So this is the test button color. So if you want to change it to black, okay, you can change it blue, red. Then the button borders, you can do blue. Then when you're done, you click on the plus sign. But if you want to change the entire background of the button, you come up here, okay, to design, then you go background. So you click on bottom text color, right? So you click on white, then you change it, save changes. All right, so now what if you want to, so let's work on the patterns. All right, okay, so that's how Divi works. All right, so okay, this is just to show you a bit. So if you don't want everything and you want to erase it, you just go down here and you just click delete, then you delete it, then you click on this, then you click on save. All right, so this is how you work with the model. So let's say you want to put something up here. Okay, so you hover, then you click on the plus, you want regular. Then what do you want? You want, say, 2 sections, you want a contact form, then you click save, stay out. So let's say over here, so then you click on countdown time. All right, then you click on save. Then you're gonna have to edit it, okay, just to show you how it works in Divi. All right, so to work on the patterns, so let's say you want to push this, you want this up a bit. So what you do, you hover over it, then you just move it slowly, okay, it's easy. And the down bottom too, you want it up a bit closer, then you push it slowly, okay. Then when you're done, click on save. Each and every one has its own section, so this is for this one and that for this one. So but if you want to change the entire thing, you go back here to settings, and you want background color change. Let's say you want double colors, you click on this, on that, change the colors to whatever you want. So to change the colors, you just click on here. Let's say we want red for this, let's say blue for this. Then when you're done, you click save. Let's say we want to change one of these images, okay, so you just hover over it, come to the settings sign, click on it, then you click on image and icon, click delete first. Let me show you something. All right, so it's not here, if not it's gonna look funny. So then you click on image. Okay, so let's say we want this, so you click on this, then you just optimize the text, then you click update, then you click save. If not, you just go back and change it. So I like it, so I click save. So let's look into template and layout. Click on the plus sign, then you click on add template. All right, so these are the templates and you have a whole lot of them. All right, so when you see the pro, that means you cannot access it, okay. You can only access if you don't see the pro sign on it, okay. Like this one, you can access this. That is if you are using free Elementor, okay. Just to show you few, like this one too, okay. All right, so these are the blog layouts. All right, so if you need a blog that you want to add to that section, all right, so let's check Divi template layout. So instead of creating the contact form from scratch, we're going to use the Divi template layout. Click on edit with Divi builder, pre-made template, which is what we want. So we're going to click on this. These are Divi layout packs, okay. These are the templates. They have beautiful professional design templates. All right, sorry I'm moving too fast. All right, so a whole bunch. And with this, it's not like Elementor whereby you have to choose pro or free. With this, you have access to all of this, because with Divi there's no free version, okay. So when you buy it, you have access to everything. All right, so just to show you a few. All right, so I'll go back now. So let's say we want to use one of this, so we click on this. To use the contact, you just click on it, you can view it, okay. You can view live demo. All right, so this is the contact template, okay. So if you want to use it, so X out to go back. All right, so now we're gonna use it. So use this template. So it's loading. It says 1 minute, but I mean most of the time it's less than 1 minute, okay. But I'll fast forward. Oh, it's even done already. All right, you click on save. So then you check it out. So then you can edit it if you don't want something from this page. So let's say for instance I don't want this section, I just delete it. All right, so this is how you access Divi templates. If you are a beginner and you don't have the money to spend, or you are into construction and restaurant, I would advise you to go for Elementor. Now if you want to create a blog website or fashion design website, informational content website, I would advise you to go for Divi. Elementor doesn't have lifetime subscription, so if you are looking for a lifetime subscription theme, then Divi is the best for you. If you're a beginner and you are not too much tech savvy, go with Elementor. But if you know about web design already but you want to take it to the next level, I would advise you to use Divi. The end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and please like, comment and subscribe, and check out other videos on the channel. Alright, until next time, take care of yourself. Bye bye.